Perfect. Good morning, everybody. You guys are having a beautiful day. How's it going? How's it going? So I decided to take you guys to work with me today. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna try and get you guys some content. It's been a while. Pretty sure you guys want something, so let's get started with the day. All right, we are back, guys. I just want to say nothing much, actually. No, but seriously, yo, so I don't know how today's vlog is gonna go. I have zero clue. Oh man, I'm on like E, actually. Let me see, how many miles do we got? We got 33 miles to the tank, so I'm definitely gonna have to fill up. We will be at a gas station. Ooh, I don't know if you guys saw that Integra. It was dead in front of me. I got 33 miles on the tank. I averaged 25 miles to the gallon. I used to average 29. It was 29.9 actually at one point. Oh shit. I gotta pass this car. So, 1 second. Right now. Welcome to Mopac. Yeah, and that pull probably didn't help with my gas mileage too much either. But we got enough gas to get where we're going, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright, so in all honesty, probably what we have planned for today, I'm gonna try and go to a car meet. We're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna try and go to a car meet in Killeen. And yeah, we'll see how the night goes. Right now, I just decided to take you guys with me to work. I might just make it a day in the life of the Teggy. If I could say one thing, one of my biggest dislikes since I've moved here to Austin has been traffic. Like, it's not even just the traffic. I can deal with traffic. It's the drivers. Look, if you're not speeding, people are mad at you. I've never been in that situation. Like, if you are not speeding, if you are not going a minimum of 10 miles per hour over the speed limit, someone is up your ass. 80% of the time it's a truck or it's an Altima. Like, it's I don't get it. I don't get it. It'd be the most basic cars doing the most in traffic, I swear. Sometimes I just want to cruise. I'm like, can a nigga just cruise? Can a nigga just cruise? We were pulling up. Look at that Focus RS over there. See if I can go buy it real quick. Take off the GoPro. Look at that. Let's see how much gas I got real quick, actually. You don't think I'm playing? Look at that. That's on E. Your boy got 18 miles. If I'm trying to get somewhere, I got 18 miles to do it. All right, I'll be right back, guys. So it's been a few hours. I'm off of work, and right now I'm on my way to Killeen to go to a car meet. So I'm about to go meet up with some friends, and then we're gonna roll out together. And hopefully this car meet's pretty lit. I'm really hoping it is. So we'll see how the night goes. And yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys pretty soon here. Oh, another thing. I never talked about this actually. So, first of all, thank you guys so much for getting me to 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of down because like I haven't uploaded in like 2 months. And like, I just honestly, like I got to the point to where I was just feeling like if I don't have like grade A content, I just don't want to upload anything. Like, I could have uploaded videos, like I've definitely had the time to. I could have uploaded just anything, but like if I don't have great content, I really just don't feel like uploading. And sometimes I switch between this mindset of just upload as much as you can and upload only good content. I've kind of been in the only upload good content lately, but I feel like I owe you guys a video. We're at 3,000 subs. We're still growing. We're about to hit 3,100, and I haven't uploaded the video in like a month or two. So I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. You don't understand. I deeply appreciate it, man. And I've been running into a lot of actual subs in real life, and it's a crazy experience. Like I ran into a guy, his name is Chris. Shout out to you, Chris. I ran into him at Costco. He knows who he is. Shout out to you. I ran into another guy actually too. It was a couple weeks ago. I ran into another guy at the store. He watched my videos, and I was just like, man, like, there's really people out here who actually with my videos. Like, that blows my mind actually. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate that. If I don't have consistent content, no, I'm not out the game. I just want to give you guys something worth watching. I don't like just uploading videos of like me doing nothing, sitting in the car talking. I don't see the purpose of it. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Appreciate you guys for believing in the dream. And yeah, YouTube is really a grind. A lot of people don't understand how much of a grind it is to be consistent and put out top tier content consistently. That crap is hard. It really is. It's a job within itself. So yeah, and also just on top of that, I've just been dealing with like everyday life stuff, like, you know, just like work. Still in the process of selling my house. I'm like working on getting it painted right now, and then throwing it up on the market. So I'm super excited about that. And like, honestly, in all honesty, like, I'm living a blessed life, and I can appreciate it even when like I have ups and when I have downs. And you know, I have great people supporting me, like, you know, my girlfriend and things like that. So I just want to say I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody who's down with the movement. So appreciate y'all for showing me some love. Really do appreciate it. All right, we ran into that boy Chad. I was actually headed to his house, but I'm just gonna follow him. Look, we got a cop right here. We got Chad. Oh shit. No, don't copyright me. Let me turn that down. Yeah. See you guys at the thing. All right. Got the boy Bob here.
What's up, guys?
How's it going? You wanna show me your car?
Oh, yeah. Just a, you know, 2019 Type R.
Yes, sir.
The standard.
Got the Bulma sticker. Oh. Alright. Alright, K-Town car meet. The first one I've been to in a while, actually. Camaros.
Slicks.
Oh yeah, he's ready. That's when you know. That's when you know not to fuck with somebody. When they're on fucking slicks. I don't know where this boy Chad went. Almost died. Okay. No chemical.
75-2073.
In the limo.
Or you can visit us online at tra.com.
Dumbass, because you had it on the whole time. I left it on before. I turned your car off right now. Okay. You don't need your lights on. No one cares about fucking lights. You like toes? Hey, take your socks and shoe off and show everyone your toes, bro. Hey, scoot down.
All right, new day. This is not the same meet as yesterday. We're at a new meet. I actually brought my girlfriend this time, so yeah. So new meet here in Austin, actually. So
Motorcycles over here.
biker boys.
Bikers. Oh, what's these?
Evo. GTR. R33. Nice. And it's stock. It's stock. That's rare.
See the back?
He's cool.
Oh, it's nice. Wow. Good, man.
What?
It's nice.
Oh, it's a V-Spec too. Here's my car. Right next to another Civic. Two-tone STI over there. Evo with a duckbill. Shout out the Bo, Subi Roll. TSX K24. Boosted. I think he said 700 horsepower. No, he said 500. 500. Yeah. This will get the Type R.
What?
Yes. Hey, look, we're bringing supercars. Lamborghini SVJ, GT, Mercedes. Okay, the sad thing is, I would prefer this over the Lambo.
Why? What, faster?
No, it's I like these more. They're both supercars, but RX-7. I'm gonna get one of those for the channel one day, and I'm just gonna do a VIP build. It's gonna look so clean. Me yada 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 yada. Man, Miatas roll deep.
Look at this. No. That's nice.
That's real nice, yeah.
What is that?
It's a 370. I don't know if it's a Nismo, but I think it is a Nismo. Yeah, it's a Nismo. Is that a Tome dog? SC. Puppy. Got the Hachiroko over there.
No, they be doing some cool stuff.
I will own a 240 one day if I can get around the drift tax. Please don't look. This is my bad side. I was hit 2 weeks ago by a dumbass. Follow me at... Oh, I can't read the Instagram name, but there you go, my friend. There you go.
That sucks.
I've been there.
Ooh, I like these. These are so cool.
Pop-ups, yeah.
Yeah, the pop-ups.
I like them too. So we're gonna leave the hood up, see if we can attract some attention. I want one of these so bad. I want a Z so bad. I really do. Nuts on the ground. I said nuts on the ground. Yeah. Illegal tent. Another Lambo, another SVJ.
Probably the only one. Yeah.
One day. One day. What's up? I want to get past the door without hitting it. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I decided I'm gonna actually go ahead and wrinkle spray this valve cover and get it ready for the long block. It shouldn't take long, just do like 3 coats. I gotta sand it down first, but yeah, this won't take long at all. Got my lovely assistant right here, Miss Max. Max, you wanna say hi to the camera? Hope you. She's like, nah, she's like, I'm outside. I'm gonna enjoy the view. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick. I might go to another car meet later tonight, but we'll see. We shall see. Alright, cool. So many of you guys probably already know how to do this, but if you don't, the way you do wrinkle paint, you do 3 different layers, but each layer has to be in a different direction. So like once you do that, that's kind of like how the wrinkle like works, and then it just dries really slow too, so you have to like give it some time. It takes like 2 hours to dry, but you do 3 heavy coats in 3 different directions, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Make sure this is, yeah, cool. All right, Here we go. Alright, so that's the first coat. I'm gonna let that dry for about 10 minutes and then I'll go ahead and apply the next coat, and then I'll just repeat that step one more time and you guys will see the finished product. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the second spray. So far, not bad. I like it. Just gotta do one more thick layer and then I just let it dry for 2 hours. This is also after me using a heat gun on it too, so. Look at that. That looks so good. Came out really good. Really happy with this. Really, really happy with this. Cool. So, first of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're at 3,000. Let's see how quick we can get to 4,000. That'd be awesome. So, just a recap of the whole weekend, bunch of car shows. We painted the valve cover. Shout out to everybody who I ran into, who I hung out with. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Also went to another Type R mini meet yesterday, and that was really fun. My first time really hanging out with like the Austin, Texas Type Rs in person. So shout out to you guys. You guys are really awesome. Thank you guys so much for having me. If you guys can, please share the channel with a friend, family. I don't know. I'd really appreciate it. That's about it. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and love you guys. Later.